How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing: always protect your profits. And today we're going to be talking about Mullen. It ended up posting a red day. If you guys remember what I said in my previous video, we were looking to see some strength. You want to see a continuation of momentum. So considering the price action that we had today, I'm going to give you guys an update as far as what to look out for going into Thursday. So if you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below inside the description because I value your time. So we're going to be taking a look at the charts, we're going to take a look at the short interest, and then when all of that is done, we'll be going into the final thoughts. So let's get into it right now. So we're going to take a look at the chart from Mullen. Let's see how it performed on the day. So it ended up closing at 34 cents, being down 3.72%. On the low, it tested 32 cents, and then on the high, testing 35 cents. When we take a look at the volume stats on the day, you can see we traded at 52.381 million shares, and the average volume over 10 trading days is at 82.401 million shares. So we had below average volume on the day, and we've seen a pullback in the stock. Now, when we take a look at our chart, which is a daily chart, unfortunately today for Mullen, we ended up putting in not only a lower low, but we also did put in a lower high. We wanted to see it go back to get above that 9 EMA. Right now, currently, it's at 35.99, so technically, let's just call that 36 cents. So the fact that we didn't get that price action above it, one thing that is still clear though, we are technically in an uptrend if we take into consideration October the 3rd. We ended up testing a low at 30 cents, and then for the low of today, it was at 32 cents, even though we clocked in a lower low from the day before. So what do you want to see from Mullen? If it continues to have resistance, and if we get rejected back at 35 again, then I can see a lower low coming back down to 30 or 31 cents. And if we lose 30, that's where I was talking about. Mullen can get to around 28 and 27 cents. So please add that to your notes. If you're looking for a strong move to the upside, then of course 36 cents needs to be broken. And upon breaking 36 cents, the next area where we start seeing some resistance will be right here around 40 cents. And the reason behind it, there will be a lot of sellers. So there's going to be many waiting here at this 40-cent level wanting to exit out of their positions, traders looking to take profits on a swing, and so forth. So at least if you know about that, the only thing that's going to get Mullen to propel it further is some sort of a catalyst or some bullish news where it can make a move going to around 44 cents, which puts it right around the 21 EMA, and then we'd want to see what it would do from there. So let's see how it performs going into Thursday, but at least you know what it looks like to the upside and as well as for the downside. So we're going to take a look at the short interest information from Mullen. So the off exchange short volume ratio is at 44.41%, and then for the off exchange short volume, it is just over 23.06 million shares. Scrolling down on the page, the short shares availability is at 9 million, updated 27 minutes ago, and then for the short borrow fee rate, it is at 5.74%. When we take a look at the history of the short volume, we can see for the close of the third, it is at 56.40, and then for the close of the fourth being at 44.41. So that is a significant decrease right there. And then when we take a look at the short interest percentage of the float being at 13.95%, Mullen does continue to have short squeeze potential. So for my final thoughts for Mullen, when it comes to the price action, compared to the price action that we had on the previous day, we ended up posting a lower low and as well as a lower high. This is not what you want to see. So that means going into tomorrow, I want to see a move going to at least 36 cents. If it can get above 36 cents, then we want to look for that move to go to 40 cents. Like I was saying when we were taking a look at the charts, there could be a lot of sellers that are going to be hanging out. The last time Mullen was trading in that 40-cent range was back at the end of September. So with that said, there could be some traders who are swinging and also some people that probably bought in that want to sell. So the only way for Mullen to even push past that 40-cent resistance is to have more buying volume. We haven't been seeing that as of late, so that's something that you want to be aware of. If we don't end up breaking above this 35-cent level where we saw resistance on the day, then of course there could be some more downward pressure and we can go back to testing 52-week lows and go down even lower. As far as for the short interest information, Mullen does continue to have short squeeze potential, and of course, you know, this play is very dependent on a catalyst. So when a catalyst comes through, that's when you have that buying volume coming in and we could see some strong moves to the upside. But aside from all of that, at least you guys know what it looks like going into Thursday and what you want to look out for. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon.